Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. In this video we will discuss about the exercise 8.4, its question number 5 and its sub question number 1 and 2. Here the questions that you are given, prove them as identities, So you have given a left hand side and right hand side. So you can start with the left hand side and prove the right hand side. That means start from the LHS and you have to be reach at the RHS, or you can prove it by solving both the LHS and RHS and reach at the same value. So here we start the first question, in which you are given cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is our LHS. So I have started here from LHS. So let us see here the LHS, in which you are given the cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta is written as 1 upon sin theta because it is reciprocal, and cot theta is written cos upon sin and its whole square. The LCM is sin, so 1 minus cos upon sin and its whole square. So 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta, indivisible square, because a upon b whole square, that is a square upon b square. Now this is 1 minus cos whole square and sin square is from the identity 1 minus cos square theta. So numerator is actually the square of a term, then it can be written twice, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and this denominator is actually a square minus b square, so it can be factorized as a minus b and a plus b. So it is written as 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. So here in numerator and denominator 1 minus cos theta cancelled. So you are obtain 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, and that is equal to RHS. So this is the first question. Now second. In the second question you are given cos a upon 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a upon cos a is equal to 2 sec a. So start with the LHS. Cos a upon 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a upon cos a. Taking LCM is 1 plus sin a and cos a. So this cos is multiplied here and 1 plus sin a is multiplied with the numerator on the second term. So this is cos into cos square, and 1 plus sin into 1 plus sin, that is 1 plus sin a whole square. So now this is cos square. The cos square is written as 1 minus sin square. So it is written as a 1 minus sin square a and plus 1 plus sin a whole square upon 1 plus sin a into cos a. Now this is a square minus b square and this is a plus b whole square. So this is a square minus b square. It can be written as a plus b and a minus b, and this a plus b whole square is a plus b into a plus b. You can observe in this term a plus 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a is common. So this is 1 plus sin a is common. So here this 1 minus sin a is remain, and here 1 plus sin a is remain. So 1 plus sin a. So in this bracket 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a cancel, numerator and denominator. And in second brackets minus sin a plus sin a also cancelled. So here 1 plus 1, 2 upon cos a is remain only. But 1 upon cos is equal to sec. So 2 into sec a is the RHS and the final answer. So this is the way you can solve these identities using the trigonometric identities that we have already discussed in the previous videos.